Okay, we will start second AV now. In last AV, we come up to this topic, discuss some of the motivating things that can change a person's life. One is given. We have completed different motivating things which change our life. For example, listening to an inspiring speech, attending a personality development program or inspirational seminar, listening to an inspiring speech of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, listening melodious music, listening to different kinds of social video on social media, helping the needy people. All these are various things which motivate us to live or to change a life. Okay, now we turn to next topic. Now this is description of writer O. Henry. Here picture is given and description is given about William Sidney Porter. O. Henry span is given here 1862 up to 1910. William Sidney Porter, an American writer, is better known by his pen name O. Henry. That means O. Henry is the pen name. Original name is William Sidney Porter. He was a Horacious reader. Horacious means the person who want a lot of new information and knowledge. In Marathi it is called as वाचनाचे प्रचंड वेळ असणारा किंवा पुस्तकं वाचणारा ज्याला म्हणता होरॅसियस अगदी पछाडलेला वाचनाला. ही वॉज अ होरॅसियस रीडर सिन्स चाइल्डहुड. He started a humorous weekly, The Rolling Stone, and when the venture means risky or dangerous undertaking. It is called as dhadas or sahas. When the venture failed, he joined the Houston Post as a reporter, columnist, and occasional cartoonist. The story, The Cop and the Anthem, is one of O. Henry's well known stories. To describe his lifestyle of writing, people have often used the term smile with tears, which implies his twisted way of thoughts and ending in almost every story. In this story, the main character is Soapy, is a vagabond. Now, what is the meaning of vagabond? Vagabond means a person without a home or a job who keeps traveling from one place to another. It is also called as tramp, means bhatkya, alshi, udan tappu is known as vagabond. Soapy is a vagabond and a person with criminal background. He makes different plans to re-enter the prison as he has no shelter to protect himself from the severe winter. The story ends in an unexpected way. O. Henry has depicted Soapy's futile attempts. Attempt means efforts. Futile efforts to get arrested in a very humorous vein. The Cop and the Anthem is about freedom and confinement. Confinement means prison, jail. The story is about freedom and confinement. Initially, Soapy feels that there is freedom from miseries and worries. In confinement, the notes of Anthem transform him from within, and he resolved to work hard. Soapy faces the irony of fate as the moment he realizes the real freedom lies in a virtuous life. Virtuous means behaving in a moral way or in a good way. Sadachari, Sadguni, virtuous life. He is taken into confinement, and unfortunately, here Soapy's life is given. Okay, before starting this topic, I would like to tell you a summary first, and later on we turn to uh, Marathi. That means in what way the Marathi story is. Now, what is given here in the Cop and the Anthem? The Cop and the Anthem covers one night and one morning in the life of Soapy, a homeless man living in New York City in the early 1900. When its warm Soapy lives in Madison Square Park. Now that winter is coming, the park will be too cold, so Soapy decides to do what he has done for several winters, get himself arrested so he can spend the winter in jail. Soapy decides to fill his belly and get arrested at the same time by eating in a fancy restaurant than not being able to pay for the meal. But the waiter figures out what he is up to just by looking at his clothes. Soapy doesn't make it through the door. Next, Soapy breaks a shop window since he doesn't run away. The policeman doesn't believe Soapy is responsible to break the window. After that, Soapy finds a cheaper restaurant to try his initial plan on. He gets in, eats a plenty of meal, plenty of food. When Soapy reveals he can't pay for the meal, the waiters refuse to call the cop and toss Soapy on his ear instead. From there, Soapy pretends to hit up on a lady right in front of a cop. Soapy runs away from her and tries to get arrested by yelling and dancing like a madman on the street in front of a policeman. The policeman thinks Soapy is a drunk colleague, college boy, and he leaves Soapy alone. Finally, Soapy steals a man's umbrella, claiming that it is his umbrella. The man confesses that he actually found the umbrella and that it could well be Soapy's, so he doesn't call over the policeman watching them. Soapy gives up trying to get arrested for the night and heads back to his park bench. On the way, he comes to a quiet street with a church on it. He hears a beautiful anthem that is a religious song being played on an organ coming from the church. Soapy knows the anthem and it reminds him of a past days when he had a family, friends, and church. The anthem creates a huge change in Soapy's mind, Soapy's soul. He realizes that he can have a better life than this. Inspired and feeling empowered, Soapy begins to make plan for the better future, but suddenly Soapy's thoughts are interrupted by the long arm of the law. Unfortunately, policeman arrested Soapy for loitering aimlessly, and the next morning a judge gave him punishment for 3 months in jail. This is the summary of the cop and the anthem. Now, before going line by line, let us learn what is the content part of the cop and the anthem. So, we will get the idea in Marathi. What is given in this story? Okay, we turn to next AV now. Let us stop here.